As you mentioned, Prabhu, that reading Prabhupada book is not merely a knowledge gathering, hearing. The actual reading Prabhupada book is means hearing Srila Prabhupada. So the question is, one who has lost the taste of reading Srila Prabhupada books, or he may not have experienced that taste of hearing when he reads Prabhupada. So how to revive that or how to cultivate that?
You read more, chant as a sadhaka, then taste for chanting will come. As a sadhaka, as a rule you read. Then if your consciousness is still gross, you cannot hear Prabhupada. You will see only book pages. You will see only the words. You won't see the sound behind the words. Sound of Prabhupada. The voice of Prabhupada behind that. You won't see. So that kind of when you have a relationship with a person, then your hearing capacity of Prabhupada's books also goes up. And it's like when you know a person more, you know his mind more. More you know his mind, more you can get from out of his mind. Because you can vibe with his mind. So Prabhupada's mind we have to know. How do you know Prabhupada's mind? All this is the whole Bhaktivedanta purport is Prabhupada's mind. So start knowing this way, that way, and then sometimes you just see, as soon as Prabhupada's some line is there, you know what he's going to say also. There is no his mind. What he will say for this purport, for this verse, what he will say. You come to know.